Tired of the same old boring breakfast? Craving a hot, delicious egg muffin sandwich to start your day? Well, now you can skip the drive-thru and make it your way at home with the amazing Drew&Cole Breakfast Sandwich Maker. Imagine making this hearty all-time classic in under 5 minutes. The secret is the ingenious cooking rings that toast, cook and assemble your sandwich to perfection, all in one. First, add half of your muffin to the bottom cooking ring and layer on your favorite cheese and pre-cooked meat. Then lower the top ring and add your egg right into the special cooking plate. Then top the egg with the other half of your muffin and close. Here's the best bit. Less than 5 minutes later, simply slide out the middle cooking ring and the egg drops down. Like magic, you have a hot, delicious, on-the-go breakfast sandwich. And it's not just for making classic customized egg muffin sandwiches either. In less than 5 minutes, you can make all kinds of hot, scrumptious sandwiches using your favorite fresh ingredients. Fast track your breakfast and jumpstart your day with a mouth-watering, super satisfying smoked salmon, avocado and egg bagel. An incredible homemade sausage, egg and cheese sandwich on toasted waffles. These and so many other deliciously tasty go-to breakfast combos are perfect for busy weekday mornings or weekend treats. You can even make healthier, more nutritious versions of your fast food favorites or go vegetarian or gluten-free. Now you can say good morning to the incredible Drew&Cole Breakfast Sandwich Maker. The perfect way to start your day off right.